So, one question I want to ask all the warriors here and all those people who want justice to happen in Sushant's case is that when I have come with a proof whose credentials I have not yet shared anywhere, whose authenticity can only be known after checking the after validating the credentials like the IP route or the source code or the software purchase details, how can a horde of social media influencers in the name of Sushant's justice, when the drives are doing nothing but corroborating the murder angle, when the drives are a proof that he has been murdered for trying to expose certain wrongs that are being done in the society today? I don't understand the reason of other warriors to leave all work and devote thousands and thousands of hours on YouTube to brainwash people into saying that these drives do not have any credibility, this lady doesn't have any credibility. If the people say that, I ask to all you respectable gentlemen sitting out there, one question. Any one of you, if you can answer me, I will quit from here. I have been raising questions on the President of India. I have been sharing the letter that he has shared with the defense forces. I have been sharing letter of Prime Minister's. I have been sharing documents of Prime Minister's office. I have been taking names of very big capitalists, very big officers, very big personalities through Sushant's drives. If the Sushant's drives were fake, or if anything of what I shared on social media since the past 3 or 4 years is fake, what has stopped the government or the so-called lawyers who are devoting their time on YouTube defaming me, what has stopped them from filing a defamation case on me when I am doing such a big offense of forging defense minister's letter, forging prime minister's letter? If I am sharing fake letters, means I have forged it. That means it is an offense of the highest order. Since 4 years, I am doing it openly, tagging the official handles of those very offices of whose documents I am sharing. And all I get in return is some social media trolls with degrees of advocates, forensic experts, and yes, correcting the grammar of the drives and all. Anyway, since here we have other respectable people as well and who belong to the fraternity, legal fraternity, and who really want justice to happen, for their interest, I would just like to say one thing. I understand this is Lok Adalat. People's Court is Lok Adalat. Please correct me if I am wrong. I want to clarify my understanding of this court. And I do understand that a criminal case can be tried in Lok Adalat, provided that it is a non-commendable offense. Because Lok Adalat's trying criminal cases is very rare as far as I'm concerned. Usually Lok Adalats, so the cases which are civil in nature, and if both the parties are in agreement with each other, then one of the parties can make a demand to transfer the case to Lok Adalat when the normal courts are not, when there is pendency of the case in the normal court. This is my understanding. Please correct me if I am wrong. But here in this court, we do not have the other party. For a Lok Adalat or any sort of court to come to a conclusion, both the parties should be there. I'm sorry, my voice is echoing. And let me tell you one thing, sir. Every time I try to come online and give my sessions, there have been attacks on the stream as well, on the live stream. So either my audio is not clear or my video is not clear. I have managed to encrypt my channel's link, my devices, so that there is no problem created due to the attacks. But since I am coming on a link which has been shared by you, I'm not sure what attacks or what are coming. So if I am thrown out of the stream, kindly give me some time to join again. This is only one request I have to make.
अभी आ रही है आवाज?
हाँ जी,
हाँ मैम, आप सुन पा रही है?
हाँ जी,
हाँ,
आपको मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
ये वैसी लोक अदालत नहीं है जहां कोर्ट में केस चल रहा है और दो पार्टी कंसेंट देंगी और जाकर फिर वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज होगा, वैसी लोक अदालत नहीं है। ये जनता की महाअदालत है। ये हमारा एक फोरम है, बाय द पीपल, फॉर द पीपल एंड फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द पीपल।
तो सर
इसमें
जी,
आपने कल का अगर प्रोग्राम देखा होगा और आप सिटीजन्स कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया के वेबसाइट पे जाएंगे तो आपको डिटेल मिल जाएगा व्हाट इज आवर वर्किंग प्रोसीजर। यहां पर ऑल द पॉसिबल एविडेंसेस को लेकर वी आर गोइंग टू फॉर्म वन ओपिनियन, वन कंक्लूजन as per the mandates of the law, as per the law laid down by the Supreme Court, High Court, whatever is the settled legal position. On that basis, we are going to file appropriate cases. Our course of action will be, we will be filing writ petition with direction for expedite hearing or filing the direction to the CBI to file charge sheet or status report. Action against the CBI officials, contempt petition against the CBI officials or other persons, criminal prosecution who are trying to save the accused. These are our course of action. That is our jurisdiction. So this is not that type of sarkari adalat.
okay,
it is
sir.
citizens
Sir,
adalat. And
okay, Your Highness.
I have
Your
gone
Highness,
through
I
that
just
SSR diaries on Candid Mina.
yes, Your Highness, I want
So,
to just clarify one thing, sir.
you can
There
give
was been
whatever evidences you have, but my specific question is that is there any specific mention about, means in the time period जब दिशा सालियन का मर्डर हुआ, उस मर्डर होने के बाद में उससे रिलेटेड सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की डायरी में कुछ लिखा हुआ वो है आपके पास? वो ज्यादा क्रूशियल रहेगा हमको एक ओपिनियन फॉर्म करने के लिए।
Yes, sir. Yes. There is. I have been following yesterday's trial of People's Citizens Court of India. So based on that, there is reference to child trafficking. There is reference to Disha's death. There is a vivid difference wherein he has stated that by mistake he has taken Disha's name and now her life is also in danger. I'm talking about Disha Salian, manager, who has been a celebrity manager to many, not only Sushant. So in the rights, it is written that Disha Salian was helping him with the information along with others like some 3 or 4 of Sushant's friends who were killed immediately before or after him. 14 friends of Sushant's died just before or after him in mysterious circumstances. I'm sorry, I'm not unfortunate to recall the name, but Asid Basra and Sandeep, not Sandeep Singh, other Sandeep. So there were other names that are mentioned in the drives. Those who were helping Sushant research into the crimes of Bollywood, research into the crimes of the society, and Disha Salian was one of them. And the time stamp where Sushant has written, when proper digital validation of the drives is done by the qualified authority, then we can even find the timestamp of each slide when it was written originally and when any edits were made, if they were made later on. Okay. So the original timestamp of the slide wherein he has mentioned about Disha Salian's life being in danger because he has blurted out her name in front of others. So that timestamp and Disha's death and Sushant's death, they are in accordance, they are in chronological order. They match the conclusions that people are arriving at regarding Disha Salian's death being linked to Sushant's.